Thank you for buying this 16866 storage locker from Fixture Displays. This also have charging capabilities that has 5-volt USB female ports in each slot for cell phones. We highly recommend you order an external battery housing to prevent accidental battery drainage situation. If you wish to wall mount, you can use screws or brackets. Our brackets part number is 15635. Please do like us and subscribe to our channel. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with the product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.